This is the Sensereo MS-1 Smoke Alarm with Matter over Thread. But as soon as the smoke was detected, the alarm sounded immediately and cover hub will blast this annoying sound. Now, in the box here, it says reasonably annoying smoke alarm, and I have to say it is really annoying, and that's what you want. So I definitely advise anyone to buy one. It's one of those things you really don't want to trigger to ever listen to this, but if it does, you want it to be connected. So if you're away, you'll receive notification so you can do something about it instead of the traditional ones, which they will beep annoyingly as well, but no one will hear it if no one is at home. So get one of them. They are absolutely fantastic.